What's up, everyone? Welcome back to IQ Splash, your go-to spot for fun movie challenges. IQS got a super fun game lined up today. Guess the movie from just the emojis? You'll face 25 thrilling rounds, and for each one, you'll have only 10 seconds to figure out the movie. Think you're a true movie expert? Let's find out. Leave a comment down below. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now, let's jump right in. Let's begin. Can you guess this first movie? Yep, it's Moana 2. What a great start. Can you tell IQS which film this might be? Gotta go fast. It's the Sonic the Hedgehog. Which movie do these emojis represent? Elemental. How about this one? That's Hoppers. Awesome. Here comes another movie challenge. Correct. That is One Piece. Try to guess this movie title from these emojis. Cooking up a win, it's Ratatouille. What's your guess for this movie? It's Dogman. Scream 7 is back. These emojis are hints. Can you name the film? Slaying demons with style, K-pop demon hunters. Which movie do these emojis suggest? Mufasa the Lion King for sure. Can you solve this movie emoji riddle? Creepy but correct. Creepy but correct. Let's go. It's the Super Mario Brothers. All right, superstars, keep a sharp eye on where everyone is standing. Now, can you find where Princess Peach is hiding? Unbelievable skills. Princess Peach was tucked away in number 4. What do you think this movie might be called? The Walking Dead. Watch out for walkers. Which film could this be? Banana. Yeah, it's Despicable Me. Can you get this one right? Yahoo Zootopia 2. Next up, do you know which movie this is? A Tale as Old as Time, Beauty and the Beast. Can you decode the emoji puzzle? Lucky guess, it's luck. Which movie comes to your mind? The Princess and the Frog. This is up, balloons away. Name that movie. A legendary classic, The Godfather. Let's see if you recognize this one. We've got Stranger Things 5 here. Great job. Do you think you know the title of this movie? Night at the Museum. Which movie are we hinting at here? Mirror, mirror, yeah, that's Snow White. Which movie are we hinting at here? Trouble's back. It's The Bad Guys 2.